This is a quick video to do an unboxing, and then I'll do a slideshow of all of my projects I've worked on the last few weeks. Setting up the other room is just insane, so we're going to make do with the mediocre lighting in my craft room and hope the noise isn't too bad. I received the package of M&Ms from my nephew for my birthday. I'm quite sure he saw the saying and thought it was hysterical, and so he had to get it to me, or get it for me. And of course, I had a good chuckle when I came into work on Monday, since I work with my sister at her house, and he was off at summer school, but this was sitting on my work desk, and yeah, I had a very good laugh over that. I have recently gotten into themed boxes and discovered Taylor and Cromwell, and this is their July box. I don't remember the theme. It's my very first Taylor and Cromwell box. This is as far as I got it, because I opened it up and realized it's not a box within a box. It's in terms of a separate second box that you lift out. So as soon as I saw that, I just closed it and said, we'll do an unboxing. So this is what the interior looks like. And very apropos, it's Rick Riorden. It helps if I pull it down so you can see it. Percy Jackson themed. And I'm gonna pull this out of the way. So this is the box without the cardboard. We have a needle minder and a sticker. It says Team Leo on the sticker and Kelp Head on the needle minder. Then a medium tall, pardon the jiggle, I'm gonna lift this up a bit. A medium tall book sleeve with fabric. There's a little pocket in there, little loop, and a loop button closure. The button is Medusa's head. Then there is a bookmark kit. It says, "Am I a troubled kid?" Yeah, you could say that. And within this kit is a piece of edged Ada, floss, and of course the pattern. And the floss also has a needle stuck in it. So all the things that you need to make this piece. Then there is a Grover bookmark, Remake the Wild a Little at a Time. Also says it's a kit, so I'm assuming it's going to have all the same, sorry I knocked that, piece of fabric, all the necessary floss, and the pattern. And then the Annabeth bookmark kit. The real world is where the monsters are. And this is also, I'm sure, fabric and the floss, along with the pattern in there. So that's the Taylor and Cromwell, Percy Jackson, Rick Riorden box set. I signed up for 6 going all the way through next year. Not every month did the theme suit me. You can get 1 box at a time as the theme appeals to you, or you can look at the next 12 or 14 months they have posted on their website, and you can pick 3 months that you want, 6 months, or I believe the full thing. And I had 6 from July to next August that I wanted. So I did the 6 boxes, and this was the first one I'm getting. I believe I'm getting next month, but then I think there's a gap. Their themes seem to be around authors or movies, music, musicals. But some of them are very quirky. I had a couple of them I had to actually research to see who it was and what the topic was to have an idea. Before I do insert a slideshow, I do have a tiny bit of haul. If you're ever in the market for a bunch of fabric miscellaneous, and her name is escaping me at the moment, Riterene. I will put it in the link below, but every so often she does a box. I'm gonna stuff it. Here's the possible types. So she'll do a variety of colors. She also has a dye. So it's all creams and whites. And that's the one I got so that I'd have a bunch of pieces to just dye and experiment with. I got 2 of her boxes, and it was stuffed in this medium flat rate box. Normally the box is the smaller one, but this is 2 boxes, so a single box is probably something like that. She also threw in a couple of random patterns, a card with a pattern on it, this DMC how-to guide, and I have some memory thread and have never really figured out how to use it, so that'll be useful even though it's a discontinued product. And then a couple of skeins of floss. So she threw in some random stuff, but the box was $35 a piece. She does it through her Facebook group or a Facebook page. And so I just said, hey, I want the die box. If you have 2, I'll take 2. And the $35 a piece includes shipping. So a priority mailbox of that size, I believe, is around $16, $18. The slightly smaller one that is the $35 set is around $8. So you're getting $27 or so dollars is what you're actually spending on the fabric, and there's some pretty big pieces in here along with little small pieces. And I do enough little smalls that I'll have fun with that, or I'll make it up into dyeing swatches. Use it to experiment with a new color to see if it's going to turn out the way I want it, and before I use it on a big piece. And then last but not least, this weekend I will be adding, hang on, I've got to fight with the magnets, adding to my Etsy store a bunch of new needle minders. So I'll do just a quick scan. These will be going into the Etsy store this week, or this weekend. And it's gonna be just posted onto the listing, but I'll be doing an offer of buy 4, get a 5th one. You just have to tell me what the 5th one is. And then the other thing is I have a coupon for my Flosstube listeners that will be at the end of the video. I will hopefully see you guys again in the normal setup, face-to-face, in a couple of weeks. It might be slightly longer. I'm in the home stretch for wedding preparations, so I think we're at 3 weeks out. I have various little things that I've got to finish up and finalize, and yeah. And then somebody's going on work, or going on vacation the week before at work, so I go from part-time hours to full-time hours the week of the wedding. So yes, finalizing things for the wedding. It could be a while, but I will try to do one within the next 2 weeks that's face-to-face. I will see you soon.